How to verify from ground level the polarization of an installed microwave antenna using the Spectrum Compact. 1. Attach a coax to waveguide converter to the Spectrum Compact using a coaxial cable. 2. Move away from the tower to approximately a distance equal to the antenna height above ground level. Direct coaxial to waveguide converter towards the antenna at about a 45-degree angle. Coaxial to waveguide cable works as small directional antenna. 3. Enter the center frequency of the desired channel and adjust span to minimum. 4. Turn waveguide to coax converter to a vertical polarization and do the measurement while pointing towards the antenna. 5. Turn waveguide to coax converter to a horizontal polarization and repeat the same measurement while pointing towards the antenna. 6. Compare the results. The highest signal corresponds to the actual polarization of the antenna. In this case, it's horizontal. SAF Spectrum Compact, designed with field engineer in mind.